I'm here in Nebo, and initially they wanted me over there at the tennis courts. And I was like, okay, yeah, that's cool. There's no power over there. So I said, oh, is there anywhere else? And they went, well, when I stand up on the handlebars, I've got to miss the fans. 15 minutes before the show, time to warm up. And I kept trying, and I kept falling off. That means you can ride forward, and flip around, and ride backwards. Thank you. Oh, that's so much more comfortable. Oh, this is fantastic. I could stay here all day. And I like to do a wheelie for as long as I want to. A wheelie on the front wheel. Forwards, backwards, sideways. Oh! Oh. Upside down. The kids loved the show. It's such a lovely school. They were just lovely. They loved the show. They were just great. Just appreciative. I don't know what. they had a really good time. I'm off to Airlie Beach now. In Gladstone yesterday. Drove up to St. Lawrence. And this morning drove across to Nebo. Then I'm going to drive up to Airlie Beach. First, I might stop and have a little look around in this little country town and have a look. I'm at Airlie Beach at a caravan park, and they're pretty swanky caravan parks here. And Airlie Beach is quite the holiday destination as well, so I feel like I'm in tourist town. Let's have a look. This is my little house. Yes, I'm in 46. I turned up at the wrong caravan park earlier, about 10 minutes ago. Just had a quick fly of the drone. Very, very pretty area here. I'm guessing that's why it is such a tourist destination. So tired.